Plans we make and chances we take. I feel everything more with you. Quiet confidence and trusting every step. And we know that our faith will get us through. It's so obvious, forever calling us. And this time we won't wait and wonder anymore. When the morning breaks, we won't hesitate. It's the first day, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. Before our eyes, now we find it all becomes so clear. Our story starts here. Constant faith in the words we say, so sure we're never letting go. It's so obvious, forever calling us. It's the first day, yeah, it's the first page. Our story starts here. Our story starts here. It's so obvious, forever calling us. It's the first day, yeah, it's the first page. Our story starts here.